Are you tired of bouncing between ChatGPT, Google Drive, and multiple other apps just to complete a single task? ClickUp just launched Brain MAX, a contextual AI super app. That's a fancy way to say it knows what you're working on, talks to all your tools, and actually helps you get things done quickly. This isn't just another AI chatbot. It can access your files, create tasks, send messages, and schedule meetings, all in one place. For example, look in my Google Drive and find the latest file I uploaded. Brain MAX scans your Google Drive and tells you exactly what the latest file is. It provides the file name and even gives you a direct link to open it immediately, saving you time. One of the coolest features is the voice commands. You literally just talk, and Brain MAX turns that into a document, an email, or a task. And it doesn't just use one AI model. It taps into ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and picks the best one for your request. The magic here is context. Brain MAX understands your documents, calendars, tasks, and even your past conversations. It can read your docs, emails, meeting notes, and give you a real-time summary. So, if you're a freelancer, an agency, or team leader juggling multiple projects, Brain MAX can simplify your workflow. Let me know in the comments, what would you automate with an AI that understands your work? And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech breakdowns like this one.